Zimbabwean businessman Chihvayo has secured a major deal for his company, IMC Communications. They're teaming up with Elon Musk's Starlink to bring satellite internet to Zimbabwe. Sounds great, right? But there's more to the story. Announced on President Emerson Mnangagwa's X account, this deal has been the talk of the town, especially among business enthusiasts. You see, Chivhayo edged out some pretty strong competitors, including those linked to Mnangagwa's own sons. That's where things get a bit controversial. Chihvayo isn't exactly a stranger to controversy. He's a scandal-prone businessman with a history that's left many questioning his reliability. His past procurement scandals are still fresh in the minds of many Zimbabweans, so when news broke that he landed the lucrative Starlink deal, eyebrows were raised. One significant aspect is the tension this deal has sparked within Zimbabwe's political circles. First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, for instance, hasn't been too thrilled about it. Rumours are swirling about favoritism and whether Chivhayo's connections played a role in securing this deal. Is it just good business, or is there more at play here? Chivhayo's IMC Communications now has a massive responsibility. The goal is to deploy high-speed, low-cost, low-Earth orbit, LEO, internet infrastructure throughout Zimbabwe. This could be a game-changer for the country, especially for the rural areas that have been left behind in the digital age. But the question remains, is IMC up to the task? Economists and analysts have mixed feelings. On one hand, the introduction of Starlink could dramatically reduce internet costs and improve speeds, which is a big win for Zimbabwe. On the other hand, setting up this infrastructure isn't cheap, and there's skepticism about IMC's readiness to handle such a massive project. As of 2021, only 34% of Zimbabweans had access to the internet. Compare that to neighboring Botswana at 73.5% and South Africa at 72.3%, and you can see there's a lot of catching up to do. So this deal has the potential to bridge a significant digital divide. It's a big moment for Zimbabwe's tech landscape, but it comes with its fair share of drama and uncertainty. Will Chivhayo's IMC Communications rise to the occasion and deliver on this ambitious promise? Or will this be another chapter in a series of controversies? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.